For one reason or another, most vehicle owners are going to need to change a part on their ride. And if you're one of the lucky people who hasn't needed to yet, I can almost guarantee that the time is coming. When you're purchasing new parts for your vehicle, there's generally two categories for you to choose from. You have your original equipment manufacturer, or OEM parts, which are made by the manufacturer of your vehicle, and then there are aftermarket parts, which are made by a third-party supplier. Since I can almost guarantee that you're going to need to change a part on your vehicle at some point, it's important that you know the difference between the two and which one is most suitable for your situation. While aftermarket parts are made by a third-party supplier, they're always designed to do the same job as the original OEM product. OEM parts, on the other hand, were made by your vehicle manufacturer and are often the same piece that's being replaced because it's broken or faulty. For the most part, you can only purchase OEM products from a dealer. We have a dedicated parts department filled with factory-trained staff to help you pick what's right. They know both aftermarket and OEM products, as well as the makes and models of our vehicles, which allows them to decide the exact right piece for your situation. Probably the biggest difference between OEM parts and aftermarket is choice. Your OEM parts always come from the vehicle manufacturer, while there are many third-party suppliers of aftermarket parts. Aftermarket parts will generally cost you less money, but there's a level of uncertainty involved. The quality of aftermarket parts varies greatly from piece to piece, company to company. Some are very well made, and others may actually end up doing more harm to your vehicle than good. Since there are so many aftermarket manufacturers and the pieces are often not designed for a specific make and model, we always suggest that you speak to a trained technician or a parts advisor before deciding what to put into your ride. With OEM parts, you're usually going to be paying a little bit more, but that uncertainty is gone. Because it's coming from your manufacturer, there's usually an understanding that it will work like a brand new part in a brand new vehicle, which gives it a warranty of sorts. And with all that in mind, buying an OEM part does not guarantee that you receive a vastly superior product. Many of the aftermarket pieces actually work as well as their OEM counterparts and cost you a little bit less. Because of this, we always suggest checking with a trained technician or a parts advisor before making any decisions on what goes into your vehicle. If you're a shop owner, you may be interested to know that Drive Autogroup actually sells all of their OEM parts in bulk and at wholesale prices. We have Honda, Hyundai, Nissan, Toyota, Acura, and Infiniti parts in stock, and we deliver from Toronto all the way out to Peterborough. If you'd like to get in contact with our wholesale department, you can reach them at the phone number here. And if you'd like to get a hold of them on the web, they have a form you can fill out here. As always, thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and please drive safe.